Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So, today we are going to solve this question. States that evaluate the following limits if it exists. So, this is the first one, the A part. Let's start with the A part. Limit as x approaches 1, x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1. So, now this relation, if you directly substitute this one into this expression, it will be 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So 0 over 0 is an indeterminate form. 0 over 0, 0 over 0, or infinity over infinity. These are indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. So these indeterminate forms, we don't want them. We want a solid answer. So a number to represent the answer. So this one will give us 0 over 0, and it's not correct. So that's why we have to work this equation, this expression, in such a way that it will give us a number. So this one, an expression for it is given that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the expression for this. Now we're going to use this to get an expression. So now this one will equals limit as x approaches 1 of maybe our a is x minus our b is 1. 1 cube is also 1. So our b is 1. So this one now becomes 1 cube. This one is 1 cube. Is x cube. This a is x cube minus this are b. B is 1. 1 cube is also 1. So you can express this in form of this. That's why we can apply this. You cannot express any equation in form of this one. You cannot use this. So it's this form we are using to get this. So hence this form to get this. So to become a square is x square plus x times 1 is x. Then 1 square is 1 over what? Over x minus 1. So this and this will go. So it becomes limit as x approaches 1, x square plus x plus 1. So now this one in bracket. So now this one, if you substitute this value of x into now, to become 1 square plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So the limit of this one is 3. So the limit of this one as x approaches 1 is 3. So now the b part, so now the acceleration for this one, a square minus b square equals a minus b, a plus b. So that's for the up one. So if you substitute 1 again, it will give us 0 over 0. And we don't want that. So we have to work it. Ring x approaches 1 to be x minus 1, x plus 1 over then the same thing here as we did in the above to be what? X minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. So now this will go and this will go to become as x approaches 1, x plus 1 over x squared plus x plus 1. So now we will substitute this into this. We substitute it to be 1 plus 1 over 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. So it becomes 2 over 3. So the limit of this as x approaches 1 is 2 over 3. So this is the answer for part B and part C. Part C, the limit x approaches 1, x4 plus 1 over s cubed minus 1. So for the above expression, the numerator, the expression for this is a4 minus b4 equals a minus b a cube plus ab a plus b plus b cube. So this is the expression for the above one. Now let's express it. Limit as x approaches 1 then to be x minus 1, x minus 1, then what? A cube is x cube plus the product x times 1 is x. The sum is what? X plus 1. Then b cube is 1 cube, which is 1. Then the same one, this one is what? X minus 1, x squared plus x plus 1. Now, this one, this will go, becomes, when this and, so this and this will go, it becomes limit of x approaches 1, x cube plus, if you open this bracket, it become, or since we substitute 1, and there's no need to open the bracket, and we just substitute like that. Okay. So plus x plus 1. So now let's substitute it. It becomes 1 cube plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 1 square plus 1 plus 1. So now this one is 2. So it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 over all this. The sum is what? 3. So this now becomes what? This is 2 plus this one is 3 plus this one is 4. So the answer becomes 4 over 3. This is our answer. And you can also express it as a mixed fraction. So it becomes what? 1 remainder 1 over 3. So this is our final answer. So I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.